Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance and Google Authenticator. First, ensure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. Then, log into your Binance account using a web browser on a separate device. Once logged in, locate the security section within your account settings. This is where you'll initiate the two-factor authentication setup process for enhanced security. Now, within your Binance security settings, find and select the option to enable Google Authenticator. Binance will then present you with a unique QR code or a 16-digit setup key. It's crucial to keep this page open on your computer screen. You'll need this visual information to link your Binance account with the Authenticator app on your mobile device in the next step. Next, open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. Look for the plus sign, usually located at the bottom right or top right, and tap it to add a new account. You'll then have two options. Either scan the QR code displayed on your Binance screen using your phone's camera, or manually enter the 16-digit setup key provided by Binance. Both methods achieve the same secure connection. Finally, once you've added the account in Google Authenticator, a new 6-digit code will appear and refresh every 30 seconds. Quickly enter this current code into the designated field on your Binance security page. You'll also need to input your Binance login password to confirm the activation. Congratulations! Your Binance account is now fully secured with Google Authenticator, adding a vital layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.